I was cross-country skiing recently with my wife when she fell and injured herself. It was very painful and she was near fainting. We tried to figure out a way to get out and back to the parking lot, and the only thing we could think of was to go back the way we'd come, the wrong way on the trail. As we were going down the trail, skiers kept passing us, and I kept expecting some snide comment. But the only thing that happened was one woman asked the question, "Is the ski trail closed ahead?" And I felt a bit confused trying to make sense of it, but I realized she was probably trying to make sense of our odd behavior. What this reminded me of is how often people don't know the story behind some odd behavior they see. When I see my colleague doing something that doesn't make sense to me, it's easy to feel irritated sometimes. But I think a saner and healthier response is to simply say, "Hey, I see you're going the wrong way down a ski trail. I wonder what that's about." And when we ask those questions, when we start with a question rather than some sort of judgment or irritation, we are likely to have much more productive and healthy and helpful conversations.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.